friends, and welcome back to Vyom's coding tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple ATM system. That means when we enter some amount of money, the system should print the number of 2000 notes, 500 notes, rupee 200 notes, 100 rupee note and 50 rupee notes to be withdrawn from the ATM. So, the code is very simple. It does not require any modules, functions or anything. If you know the basics of Python, this code should be easy to understand. So let's start coding. So let's do the introduction. So let's start with print. Welcome to the ATM system. And then after that we can write print what the general instructions are. So general instructions, and now let's write what the instructions are. So in order to withdraw cash, enter amount greater than rupees 50 and multiple of rupees 50. So now I'm going to be making the variable be input by the user. So the variable amount, which will be equal to integer input, enter the amount. Now we want to check whether the amount is greater than 50 and a multiple of 50. So we will use conditional statements. So here we will write if amount is less than 50, then print please enter the amount greater than rupees 50. And then elif amount modulo division, that will give you the reminder. Amount modulo 50 is unequal to 0, then we cannot do that because we need it to be multiple of 50. So we write print please enter the amount in the multiple of rupees 50. Instead of in the multiple, I think I'll write as multiple of rupees 50. Actually, I'll just go with in. Now next one, we are done with if and elif, and we are done with the conditions. Now we just want to know how much cash is there to withdraw for each. So let's start with 2000. It may be tricky, but I'll explain it to you fully. We're done with if and elif. So the next one is going to be else. I'm going to write the code, then I'll explain it to you step by step while writing. So else, and inside this else, I'm going to be writing if the amount is greater than or equal to 2000, then I'm going to be making a temporary variable called temp, which is going to be equal to amount modulo floor division by 2000. So this will give us the quotient. So that will be the number of notes withdrawn by the user, number of 2000 notes withdrawn by the user. And now next we want the remainder money. So amount, we are going to assign it by the modulo division using 2000, so that we get the remainder how much money is remaining. And now we print the number of rupees 2000 notes equal to temp. And now that is there. But if we want to continue using this temp here, we need to assign it to 0 again, so that the number of 2000 notes does not get saved into it. So temp will be equal to 0. So I think you should have understood. If not, you can rewind it and watch it again. And now for all the other denominations, I'm just going to copy this and then I'm going to paste it. 1 minute. So this is for 1000, and then there's another for 500. So all we have to do is change this number. If amount is greater than equal to 1000, then amount will be floor division of 1000. I mean temp will be equal to amount floor division of 1000, and then change this to 1000. So basically we just have to change the denomination given. Other than that, everything, the code is the same. So same here is going to be 500. Okay, so 500 and change this to 500 also. And now next is for 200. So just remove a 0, another 0, another 0. And now last, actually second last, is for 100. And do it again. And lastly 50, and we'll be done with the code. So it was simple, wasn't it? If you did not understand it, you can watch the explanation again and again until you understand, because it may be a little tricky to see it for the first time. If once you understand it, you can try it out by yourself. So I'm going to be running the code. So let's see, 10,000 750 rupees, 850 rupees. So 10,850. So number of 2000 notes is going to be equal to 5, of course, because 10,000 divided by 2000 is 5. And then the remaining 500 notes is because of this 850, and it only one 500 comes in that, so one note. And then 500 plus 200 is 700, and 700 is also there lesser than this, so another one 200 note comes, and then it will become 800 because of this. Oh, I forgot to change this to rupees 50. That's my fault right there. Remember to change it everywhere, or it might get confusing. I'll run it again and show it to you. 10,850 rupees. And now you can see 50 notes is also 1 because of this 50 here. So I'm sure you would have understood what I have done in this video. If not, you can check out my different playlists on the beginner's tutorial in Python and the functions and modules if you would like to do. If you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can check out the description for different videos and playlists related to these videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day.